Gather the batter ingredients. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Using 1 tablespoon of butter, generously grease a 8 inches springform cake pan. Tightly wrap the outside bottom and up the sides of the pan with 2 to 3 sheets of aluminum foil to prevent water from leaking into the pan during baking. Set aside. In a small saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Combine the remaining butter with the cream cheese and milk in a metal or glass bowl. Place bowl over the saucepan with the boiling water, creating a double boiler. Slowly soften the ingredients over simmering water until melted, about 5 minutes. Transfer the batter to the bowl of a stand mixer and whisk lightly on medium speed to make sure there are no lumps. Alternatively, use a hand mixer. In a separate bowl, sift the flour with the cornstarch. Gradually add the flour and cornstarch mixture into the cream cheese batter. Whisk until incorporated. Add the egg yolks and sugar into the batter and whisk until smooth. Add the salt and lemon juice and lightly whisk to mix together. Set aside while you prepare the meringue. Making the meringue. Gather the meringue ingredients. In a very clean and dry bowl, whip the egg whites on medium speed using a stand or hand mixer until the egg whites are starting to turn opaque. Don't beat them at high speed. Once opaque, add the cream of tartar all at once and continue mixing. The meringue will start to turn bright white and glossy. Gradually add the sugar, a tablespoon at a time, whisking well until thoroughly mixed. The meringue will soon be thick, firm, and shiny. When you lift the beaters from the mixture, it should stand in firm peaks. Using a large spoon, add 1/3 of the meringue to the cream cheese batter and mix quickly to loosen the mixture. Add another 1/3 and use the spoon to gently fold in the meringue, preserving as much air as possible in the batter. Repeat with the remaining meringue to form a light, airy cake batter. Baking the cheesecake. Boil 8 cups of water in a kettle or medium pan. Carefully lift up the cake pan about 6 inches from the work surface and drop it back down to release any trapped air bubbles. Place a deep roasting pan onto the middle rack of the preheated oven. Put the cake pan in the center of the roasting pan and pour the boiling water into the roasting pan. Bake for 1 hour. Turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake in the oven, with the door closed, for an additional 45 minutes. Open the oven door and leave the cake inside for 15 minutes. Take the cheesecake out of the oven, place it on a cooling rack, and leave it to cool completely. Once the cake is cool, unmold and serve dusted with the powdered sugar. Let us know your thoughts. We really hope you enjoy this one.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And smash that subscribe button.